One thing I learned about color mixing is that you cannot rely solely on intuition and combine just any pigments in the hope of achieving the skin tone you need. I used to purchase multiple pigments just to find the perfect shade that fits my reference photo. As a result, I have accumulated lots of palettes and I'm often hindered from painting something I want just because a color is missing, or so I thought. Then one day it dawned on me that what I'm lacking isn't a couple more tubes of paint, but a skill that I should have learned years ago: mixing my own colors. Welcome to this class. I'm Bianca Lustre, an aspiring watercolor artist from Batangas, Philippines. I've been working with this medium since 2018, and some of my works have been recognized both locally and internationally through invitational competitions and juried exhibits. Montmartre has also featured me on their website. In this class, let's discover different skin tone recipes using 1, 2, 3, and 4 color combinations while discussing basic color theories. To apply these concepts, we will do swatches, paint the planes of the head, and a simple portrait. I know this might sound intimidating, but don't worry. I will provide you with tools to make the drawing part easier and a lot more fun, so that we can focus on color mixing more. I will also discuss some tips on how to choose your alternative colors, see shadow shapes better, and which colors don't work, and lots more. As a bonus, I will also share different methods in drawing portraits without using a grid. By the end of this class, you'll have the confidence in choosing your pigments to mix for your own art projects, requiring you to mix flesh tone shades. This class is designed for any level. Everyone is welcome to join in the fun. In fact, I have also prepared a gift for anyone who loves color mixing: an ebook containing swatches of over 100 color combinations that you can use as a reference in mixing skin tones. Find out how to get your copy in the next video.